Crypto miner versus Go mining, which is better for crypto earnings? With more people looking to earn crypto passively, apps like Crypto Miner and GoMining have gained popularity. But while they sound similar, they work in very different ways. One simulates mining as mobile crypto miner, while the other gives you a way to earn real BTC using tokenized cloud mining power, which is GoMining. Now I'm going to go ahead and break them down so you know what to expect and what to be cautious of. So let's go ahead and go with Crypto Miner. So they don't have an official website on time of recording, but basically Crypto Miner is an Android mobile app that simulates crypto mining. It doesn't actually mine coins using real hashing power. It rewards you for tapping, watching ads, or leaving the app running to simulate mining. Users earn in-app credits or points that can sometimes be exchanged for small amounts of crypto like Bitcoin. Now let's talk about the pros. So it's free to use and easy to start, no expensive hardware or knowledge needed, good for beginners who want to learn to try passive earning apps. Low battery and CPU usage compared to real mining. Now let's talk about the setbacks. So it doesn't actually mine real crypto. Rewards are ad funded. Very slow earnings, days, weeks for a few cents. Heavily reliance on ads to generate revenue, often limited or delayed withdrawals. Users reviews report payment issues. Could be removed or updated without warning. Okay, next we got Go Mining. So this is tokenized cloud mining platform. So Go Mining is a legit cloud mining service backed by tokenized mining NFTs. When you go buy a Go Mining NFT, you're essentially renting a real Bitcoin mining power from their data centers. Your NFT earns your UBTC daily based on its hash rate and power efficiency. You can level or upgrade the NFT and earnings go directly to your BTC wallet. Now let's talk about the pros. So it is backed by real Bitcoin mining infrastructure, daily Bitcoin payouts to your wallet, transparent stats, NFT shows exact THs and energy efficiency, and it's resellable on NFT marketplaces like OpenSea. No need to manage hardware or software yourself. Setbacks requires initial investment to buy an NFT starting around $20. Payouts vary with BTC price and network difficulty. Not a quick profit scheme. Returns accumulate slowly. Crypto market can affect ROI. You need to use a real crypto wallet and basic Web3 knowledge. So choose Crypto Miner if you just want to earn a few cents passively with no investment. Or choose Go Mining if you're ready to make a small investment for legit daily BTC earnings from actual mining.